tambay sa labas. This time I'll love you much better. Hi, Sir Quiz. Let's hi. Good evening, Sir Chris. How are ya? My God. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. And this my love, Mike. I'm doing good. That's good, Sir Chris. That's good. Gab! Gabersot! Kuya Gab! Kuya Gab! Kuya Gabriel! Pakalima. Pakalima yung kopi ko blanca. Tapos magbahal ka mo ang gusto mo. Naambon? Ang payo ka naambon, Gab? Madalaga. Madalaga. Sir James, it's morning here. Morning. Good evening here. Hello, Sir James. Tired. I'm fine. Thank you for the likes. For the likes. Just a likes. Sir James. Sir Quiz. Thank you for the viewers. Thank you. Another likes. Thank you, 15 people. What? What? Oh my god, thank you so much for hit the likes. Thank you guys. If you are sitting for a long time, stretch your arms vertically to release shoulder stress. Okay, random. Sitting for a long time, stretch your arms. Okay. Switch my arm. Oh. Oh. Just stretch. Something like. Stretch. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Stretch your arm vertically. Teach me breathing. I'm fine. My God. Hi, Ray. Thank you for likes. You did horizontally like this, I meant. Okay. Like that. Okay, sorry. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm one. Greetings from Mexico. That's good. It feels good and it's stretching out. Greeting from Mexico, thank you. Is it hot there? Yeah, hot here. Super fashion. Thank you, super model. Super model. Thank you for likes. Ibrahim, hello. Oh my god. I am ready for the huh? 5 piece. Oh my god, another trolls. I don't like. Another trolls, my god. You are very beautiful. Chocolate. Chocolate. Natural chocolate. I want to super chocolate. Oh my god. Maybe I need to the ano. I need to switch. Good morning to you. Sheryl, gymnastics, yoga, energy, super. What do you mean? Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. What is that? The corn.
Oo, nasa palay ng lita ko score. Ha? Ay, si Papa mo yung ikaw.
Wait lang, min. Kape tayo.
Kape tayo. Siraw. Ano, santok sa inyo.
Hi, General. Sino?
Gabriel.
General Pusakal. Oh my God. Good evening. What's up? What? New name? General Pusakal. General Pusakal. Why are you crying? if you're here. Much love and respect. Thank you, Rob.
Sige na.
Thank you so much. Superman. Is that BB or Sheryl? No. Sheryl 90, 60, 90. What it means? Your name, Pusakal, is General Pusaka ngayon. Change your name. Thank you, 15 million likes. 15 million likes. Roberta, see you.
Puro slipong
So, very beautiful of Miss Natural. Miss Natural. You don't know me. 15 million likes. You get unlimited likes in my heart po. Sana all. Thank you, Superman. Thank you, Rob. Thank you so much, Rob. RCB. Sorry. I thought it's Rob. RCB. Sure, you are very beautiful. Oh my God. Super energy. Oh my God. Why, oh my God. Oh my God. Hi from Turkey. Thank you from Turkey. Thank you from Turkey. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching. Who are you? Huh? Serkan from Turkey, Istanbul. From Turkey, Istanbul. Coffee. Kumusta po? How are you? I'm fine. Tagalog dito sa kabila, English dito. Kumusta ka po? Okay, I'm fine. What's up? As always having a problem. As always having a problem. Sorry for lost always. Sorry guys. Sorry naman. CDG Pan. Anyari te para anyari. Thank you sa bumabalik. Thank you again. Thank you sa likes. Tagalog dito sa kabila, English din. Translated. Thank you for the likes. Miss Mr. Mouth. Hi, Mr. Mouth. Hello, beautiful. Hi. Marco. Hello, beautiful. How are you doing po? Coffee. I miss you. Oh my god. Thank you, Mr. Mouth. Miss you too, Mr. Mouth. My god. Where are you from? Forgot. Hi, how are you, Greg? Hello, God. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Mount. Hope someone send me super chat. Hope someone send me gift. And subscribe, likes, Sheryl Ohm people. Thank you, Mr. Mount. I'm fine, Greg. You always forget me. I'm sorry. I'm always forget people, person, something like that. Where are you from? I think from USA. Hi, Michael. Sir Michael. Bulami. Bulami. No, Australia. Where are you living in Australia? Ano ba yun? I always forgot. Sorry, Mr. Mount. No, Canada. Philippines. Oh my God. South Carolina. Florida. Oh my God. Where? Hmm, Hawaii. Try something different. Philippines. Try some. No, no, no. Oh my God. Where are you from? Iceland, Poland, Switzerland, Greenland. I forgot. Where do you live?
Kapasali na.
Iceberg, Georgia. Georgia. Where? Mm, Hi, Belly. It starts with I. Indiana. India. Indiana. Sorry, always Wi-Fi connection problem. Oh my God. Sorry for the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi problem here is always happen. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. And it starts with I. India, Indiana, Israel, Ireland. My Ireland. Yeah, maybe I'm right. Good. Ireland, very close. Very close. Ah, Ireland. What else? Hi, Sir Mitch. Horrible internet. Yes, horrible internet here. Sorry for the internet connection. Always problem here. There's my beautiful Filipina in the Philippines. Hi, Sir Metro. Have a nice day. Have a nice day to you and good evening here. Horrible internet here, Mr. Mount. Ireland, India, Israel, Indiana, England. England. Hey, J. Javier Aguilar. Hi. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Internet connection here. Hey, Miss Cheryl, thanks for you. Thanks, you have a good evening. Thank you, Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth, thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Thank you so likes. Oh, thank you, Mr. Match. Thank you, Sir Match. Thank you sa gift. Send thankful. Hey, Holly. Oh, thank you, Sir Mitch. Mitchell. Oh my god! Different gift sent D. Wow! New emojis. New for me. Thank you, Sir Match. You got pink. Huh? Ronnie? Oh, thank you, Sir Match. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Oh my god. Bahuda, sa loreg. Thank you so much for watching. Why people get to be so rude to you? You are a mom and a lady. Yes po. I don't know why. Lots of trolls here. Disrespectful. I don't understand why people always a lot. Maybe what's the place? Are you in the gym now? I'm at home. I'm at the front of the home. What's that place? Basketball court. That is a basketball court. And then this is my home, our home. And this is I'm watching my live. You look quiet athletic. You look quiet athletic. Oh, really? Basketball, right? Yes, basketball. Filipino woman hates when people are so stupid and respectful. Yes, po. We hate that. We hate people like that. Why don't you play? Oh, obviously. Good day. Good day, beautiful. Oh, thank you, Juan Onias. Hello, beautiful. How has your day been? I'm fine. Hey, Sir James Hogan. James Hogan. Why call me Paul? I'm Mitch. Huh? Sir, I sell match. Sir match. I call you Paul. No Paul here. Basketball maybe. Why call me Paul? I'm not call you Paul. I'm not say that. Oh my God, Sir Mitch. All good. I'm 4'11". Great, wonderful day. Thank you, Leandro. Sir Match, I'm not calling you Paul. I said Match, Sir Match. Maybe you hear the basketball because I said basketball court. 5'11" or 4'11". 4'11". Oh my God, sorry, I misunderstood. No worries, Sir Match. No Paul here in the comment section. I'm reading. 4'11". Oh my God, I'm 4'11". I'm teeny tiny 4'11". 4'11". You're tiny. Yep. Yep. Stop complaining, Paul. Lol. Sir Fred. Hi, Sir Fred. I'm in Mitch. Sir Fred. Good evening, Cheryl. Good evening, Sir Fred. Hi, Sir Fred from Sir Match. What's something that irritates you being for 11? What's something that irritates you being for 11? Huh? Doesn't matter. Hello, Paul. Oh. Sir Fred! Match! Sir Fred. 411 is cute. Okay. Okay, Superman. For 11 is very cute, definitely. Okay, thank you. Thank you pa. Very, very gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my god. Mike Aidala. Yeah, especially for Sheryl, it is very cute. Really, I'm cute. I'm cute because I'm teeny tiny. Hi, Aden. Naka-live kasi ako.
Ayun sa kabila. Sa
Ha?
kabila.
Pinapanood ko yung live ko. Kasi dito translated.
Hindi pala yun.
Translated kasi dito. Tapos doon sa kabila, sa ano, dito nag-auto-translate. Kaya mga ibang lahi, nata-translate sa English, sa ibang language. Dito naman, naimod ko kung ano. Nakikita ko kung anong, ano yan. Yung totoong lingwahe nila. Now you can see her sexy body, Mike. Oh my god. Not your cute Sheryl. I asked what it is that you don't like about being. I like who I am. Sima. So I want to see your beautiful sexy body. Oh no. No. Excuse me. No, you're not cute, Sheryl. You're beautiful. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you so much. Your support will be there Thursday night, Philippines time, not Friday morning. Thank you, Sir Mitch. You look beautiful. Thank you, Sir Arlie. Jake, hi Jake. I see you're yawning already. Yeah, and that's why I'm need to going to sleep. I fell asleep na. Are you tired of 60-year-old men hitting on you? No. I need support, Mitch. From Sir Fred, oh my god. You are beautiful. Okay, Sir Fred, I got ya. From Sir Mitch. Hi, my name is Lisa. I like your dress. I am wearing one like yours. Really random. Joking, Mitch. Sir Fred. Ouch. Cause where? my god. I don't wear dresses until Friday. I'm going to sleep na. I scam mic for You look great. Good morning. Good morning, Sir Michael Anderson. Freaky Friday, Cheryl. Freaky Friday. A girl question for you. Okay. Do you keep your armpit shape clean or keep it natural without any like chemicals or all? I need to keep it clean. I need to keep it clean. A girl question for you. Do you keep? I like to wear a dress. Feels so sexy. Just joking. Just joking. Oh my god. Same. Yeah, that's great. Girl talks. You yeah, oh, to see my shorts on Friday match. Oh yeah, Cheryl. Wow, awesome. Sir Fred, Sir Match, other here. I need to do. I'm going to sleep na. Random. Thank you, random. Go to sleep na, Sir Fred. Mom Cheryl. Don't call me mom. My God. I'm going to sleep. I need, okay, then sleep, Cheryl. I need to end the live. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. See you next time. Yes, I'm going to my stores now. Okay, Sir Mitch. Thank you, Sir Mitch. Thank you, everyone, joining here. God bless. See you tomorrow. Yes, Sir Fred. See you tomorrow again. Bye-bye.